Hi, this is Bobby Fazy, President of Insight Law, and this video is about the various roles in an estate plan. I often get questions from clients on the various helpers that are put in place with regard to your planning. When you think about estate planning, this is one thing you can't do on your own, and we're going to go through the various roles. So the first role is the trust maker. So the trust maker, trust makers are normally our clients. They're the ones who create the plan, create the trust, create the will. So that's usually an easy one, and so number one role is the trust maker. Second role is the trustee. The trustee is the person who is in control or manages the checkbook, manages the trust, and makes the decisions on behalf of that. So when you are alive and well, you're clients, you're going to generally be the trustee of the plan. If you become disabled and are not able to effectively manage your financial affairs, mental disability, you pass away, those successor trustees are those backups that you've chosen to manage running the financial side of your plan. The next role is a panel member, and a lot of people get this one confused. We call it a disability panel member. And a disability panel member, if you recall our disability planning process, is a when, who, what. A disability panel member is the people that you've hand-selected, chosen to, if we were sitting around a table, who do you trust to make the decision whether you can effectively manage your financial affairs or not? They're not making healthcare decisions or not. They're just trying to decide whether Bobby can effectively manage his financial affairs. So a disability panel member is often includes a physician, maybe a spouse, kids, sister, family members. So it's not only a medical component, but a family component. Panel member. Next role is the financial power of attorney. So the financial power of attorney, a lot of people know, hey, I've got a power of attorney. And the financial power of attorney is the agent who's going to manage your assets. Now, you want to make sure you're clear on this. Is with regard, it's similar to the role of a trustee, but the trustee is the one who controls the assets that are placed in the trust. The financial power of attorney is the agent who manages those assets that are not in the trust. A very typical asset that we do not normally place in the trust is your IRA or 401k. So if you become disabled, mentally disabled, and someone needs to manage your distributions for your IRAs, well, guess what? It's going to be your agent under your financial power of attorney. Next role is the healthcare agent. Okay, the healthcare agent is the person who's been designated as your healthcare representative to make healthcare decisions for you when you cannot communicate them with the doctor. Does not take legal effect. The advanced medical directive normally will not take legal effect until the doctor does not believe you can communicate. So the healthcare agent is an important role. They're the ones deciding what type of treatment you're going to get. They're going to communicate with the doctor. We like to usually pick someone who's going to be a patient advocate, who's going to ask the doctor the tough questions. And so the healthcare agent will be that person. They are also the person who will execute your orders if you have a living will, and that's the pull the plug document if you do not want to be resuscitated in a terminal situation. There's your healthcare agent. The last role that we have here is the beneficiary. So the beneficiary are the people after you've passed away, the people that are going to receive the benefit of your wealth. And so the beneficiaries oftentimes are maybe the kids, family members, and so they are the ones receiving the wealth. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you as far as the various roles in the estate planning process. This has been Bobby Fazy, President of Insight Law.